Hi and welcome back. This video is a deep dive into the Scrum team's roles. If you're new to the topic, I recommend you watching my introduction to Scrum and Agile before continuing with this one, as here I take some foundational Scrum concepts for granted. You can find the video linked in the description below. My name is Davide, Senior UX Designer and Scrum Master. Today we'll clear up some common misunderstanding about the Scrum's roles, see how to get started with the Scrum team, and explain in great details the responsibility of each team member. So let's get started. Scrum encompasses three distinct roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team members. A common query arises regarding the integration of existing job titles within the Scrum framework. Teams often wonder if adopting Scrum necessitates a change in their current job titles. The simple answer to this is no. The three roles in Scrum are essential to the framework, outlining the fundamental responsibility within the team. These roles are not specific job titles. Rather, they represent functions that can be performed by individuals within the job title, including those already held. The core principle of Scrum, empiricism, self-organization, and continuous improvements, are embodied in these roles. They provide a basic framework for responsibilities and accountability, enabling teams to effectively manage and deliver their work. These structures empowers teams to take ownership of their organization and foster an environment of ongoing self-improvement. Scrum serves as a foundational framework that teams can adapt and build their processes upon. It lays out the groundwork for regular meetings, artifacts, and delineates roles and responsibilities. However, Scrum does not dictate a universal approach for all teams. The nature of the team's project significantly influences the skills and roles required. For instance, a team developing a web insurance application needs expertise in technology, back-end system, and the insurance business. On the contrary, a team creating a new version of a video game requires different skills such as graphic design, sound engineering, and game development. The variation in problem necessitates different team structures and skill set. The complexity of a problem can further complicate team organization. There is an old adage, you don't know what you don't know until you don't know it, which applies here. Teams might initially be unaware of the specific skills or the extent of work required, necessitating flexibility to adapt as they gain more insights. The development team in a Scrum framework encompasses those who execute the actual work. While the term development team might initially suggest a group of engineers, its scope, according to the Scrum Guide, is broader, including various professionals like designers, writers, programmers, and more. An analogy can be drawn with a construction project, where the term developer is used for someone who actualizes the project. This could involve a range of tasks from bricklaying to plumbing. Similarly, in Scrum, a developer refers to any team member equipped with the necessary skills to contribute to the project. The key attribute of the development team is their ability to self-organize. This empowers them to make decisions essential for progress, akin to a production support team responding to an emergency. Self-organization is not about undermining organizational authority, but rather about entrusting those closest to the work with the autonomy to find solutions. Responsibilities of the development team includes delivering work through the sprint cycle and participating in daily scrums to maintain transparency. These meetings are a platform for the team members to seek assistance, share success, and address challenges or obstacles. Although the Scrum Master may facilitate these meetings, it's in the development team's responsibility to conduct them. These meetings serve as a tool for the team to review and adjust their work methods for enhanced effectiveness. Scrum product owners play a pivotal role in bridging the gap between customer needs, business requirements, and the development team. They craft and oversee the product backlog, reflecting customers and business demands. In an agile environment where adaptability and responsiveness are key, the product owner's chief task is to guarantee that the team's efforts are maximally valuable. This role serves as the business voice, guiding the development team on what's crucial to deliver. Trust between the product owner and the development team is fundamental for success. A product owner's role extends beyond mere understanding of the customer. They must also possess a clear vision for the value delivered by the Scrum team, while balancing the need of various stakeholders within the organization. Prioritizing tasks is a critical responsibility for the product owner. juggling various inputs and setting clear, coherent priorities is vital, as confusion or conflicts in this area can diminish team effectiveness and potentially harm the trust between the business and the development team. Agile team thrives on the ability to inspect and adapt. Changes in priority might necessitate significant adjustment in team structure, work products, and eventual outcomes. Thus, it's essential for the success of Scrum teams that the product owner singularly set the priorities. The Scrum Guide outlines the product owner responsibility as follows. 1. Managing the Scrum backlog. While the product owner is not the sole contributor to the backlog, they are ultimately accountable for it. The development team relies on this backlog for their work, so the product owner must be knowledgeable about all its content. Collaboration and communication with others contributing to the backlog are essential. Second, release management. The sprint in Scrum is a planning cycle, not a release cycle. Scrum teams are encouraged to deliver frequently through the sprint, allowing real customer usage and feedback to be reviewed during the sprint review. Continuous delivery is ideal, but not always feasible, requiring different release strategies. The product owner must be adapted to discerning optimal release timing. Third, stakeholders management. Managing a product involves engaging with a diverse array of stakeholders, including users, customers, governance bodies, and organizational leaders. The product owner must navigate this complex landscape, ensuring the development team's work aligns with delivering value. These roles often demand significant stakeholders communication and management effort. The Scrum Master is pivotal in maintaining the cohesion and effectiveness of the Scrum process. They play a key role in facilitating value definition with the product owner, assisting the development team in delivering this value, and guiding the entire Scrum team towards continuous improvement. Embodying the principle of servant leader, the Scrum Master supports the team through their daily activities. Their support for the product owner involves aiding in understanding and conveying the value, managing the backlog, and planning and segmenting work for optimal learning and delivery. For the development team, the Scrum Master aids in fostering self-organization, maintaining focus on outcomes, achieving a done increment, and handling impediments. Additionally, they play a role in educating the wider organization about Scrum and cultivating an environment conducive to its practices. Key focus area for the Scrum Master includes transparency. Ensuring visibility in the team's work is crucial for effective inspection and adaptation. This task can be complex, and the Scrum Master is responsible for promoting transparency, using tools like story maps or updating documentation with retrospectives inside. Empiricism. Embracing the agile principle that learning from doing is the best form of planning. The Scrum Master coaches the team in breaking down work, defining clear outcomes, and reviewing these outcomes for continuous learning. Self-organization. While telling a team to self-organize is easy, actual self-organization takes time and support. The Scrum Master encourages team members to step out of their comfort zone, experiment, and challenges traditional role boundaries through methods like delegation poker. Values. Upholding the 5 Scrum values, courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness, is crucial for creating a psychologically safe and trusting environment, essential for agility. While all team members are responsible for this value, the Scrum Master actively promotes and reminds the team of their importance. In practical terms, the Scrum Master supports the product owner in sprint planning and reviews, ensuring that value is clearly defined and the direction is set. They assist the development team in daily scrums, focusing on progress and removing obstacles. They also address impediments beyond the team's control. The Scrum Master is responsible for highlighting improvements, opportunities to the team, and ensuring that retrospectives yield actionable outcomes. In conclusion, the Scrum team, with its distinct roles and collaborative dynamics, forms the backbone of successful project execution in the Scrum framework. The product owner, development team, and Scrum Master each play a unique and vital role. The product owner drives the vision, focuses on value and prioritization. The development team, with its diverse skills, works hands-on to bring its vision to life, emphasizing agility and quality. Meanwhile, the Scrum Master ensures that the teams adheres to Scrum principle, facilitating processes and overcoming obstacles. Together, these roles intertwine to create a cohesive unit focused on continuous improvement, transparency, and efficiency. The harmony and effectiveness of Scrum teams are pivotal in navigating the complexity of project management, ultimately leading to successful and timely delivery of high-quality products. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.